Okay, so now we need to start. Next step, of course, is to start your sequences. So I'm going to show you a number of ways to start a new sequence. Um, we can't begin editing, of course, until we have a sequence, so that's the first step. So the classic way, File, New, Sequence. So that will, and then of course, we're working in digital SLR 1080p with our 24 setting, and we can see that time base is 23976. You go in and give it a name. I'm going to call this one Synchro 1. Just because it's where I'm going to synchronize my tracks. Okay. And there is my first sequence. Now, let me show you another way of very quickly creating. Actually, I'm going to move that Synchro one into my A-roll folder because I'm going to use it specifically for A-roll. Uh-oh. Okay. Let me show you another way now. Way number 2 of starting a sequence. Go in and select a clip. And if you don't have a sequence open in your timeline, you just take that clip and drag it into the timeline area, and it will, Premiere Pro will automatically create a sequence based on the clip settings that you have. So now when we look in here, we have this new icon. This is a clip icon. This is a clip icon. And this is a sequence icon. The clip that we used to create the sequence now has two icons, one indicating that the video has been used. Now the thing is, it's also giving it the name. So we'll go in and rename this Synchro 2, and I'll just move it into the folder where I want it. Maybe I'll just delete that as well for now. Okay. So now what I have is Synchro 1 and Synchro 2. So let me just show you the last way, or the third way I'm going to show you anyway, of how to create a sequence. So if I want to create a sequence based on this clip right here, I'm going to right click or control click on that clip, and you'll notice when I go down here I have an option of new sequence from clip. So I can click that, and as you see, once again I've created a sequence based on the settings that was in this clip. This one I'm going to call story track, and I'll move that into my A-roll folder as well. Okay, so what you should have now is 3 different ways of creating a sequence, and more importantly, you should now have a Synchro 1, a Synchro 2, and a story track sequence in your A-roll bin. And we're going to use these to start putting things together. All right.